Lalique Encre Noire Sport. First impressions time. Nice atomizer. Blast of freshness to begin with. But already I can detect that backbone that I'm really excited about. Majority citruses. I'm smelling a little bit of sweet citrus too. And then there's an aromatic touch. I'm assuming that's coming from the lavender. Sorry, this is not a test strip. I just have a random paper from work. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Yes. Yes. I'm getting a blueness. This could be a blue fragrance. Or it could be like a dark blue. And look at that juice color. Look at that color. It's just beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but it's this dark green, dark turquoise. Whew. Beautiful bottle. Okay, it's starting to dry down a little bit, and I'm getting that Encre DNA. That Encre DNA to me is this dark woodiness with a little bit of fresh incense. That's what I get. This is my baby, Encre Noire À L'Extrême. I have a full video on this, and I'll link it in the description and up on the iCard, but I will also compare this to the Sport. Stay tuned. Time to go on skin. Yep, opening is a blast of fresh and sweet, but tangy citrus. I'm getting a lime. I'm getting a lime. Like a tanginess mixed with a little bit of a greenness. And then a little bit of sweetness. I think that's from the grapefruit. It's been about 10 minutes. I've just been sniffing it. And I'm starting to get that lavender and that vetiver. And that combo is just makes for this clean, aromatic, woody experience. This vetiver is clean. It's not dark, deep, even resinous or like dirty. It's very clean and elevated, and it works so well with the lavender and the citruses. And I'm also getting that blue aquatic notes. I feel like this is a Bleu de Channel killer. Like you can replace your Bleu de Channel with this and it will just be so much more interesting and like not basic, bro, because I hate just all the fragrances smelling exactly like each other. This is a breath of extremely fresh vetiver air. So easy to wear. It is so dang easy to wear. You can wear this any day, anytime, anywhere, and everyone will be pleased with how you smell. You will be pleased with how you smell. I smell good. And I smell different. Quick comparison time. These two are completely different, but also have a linking thread going through them at the same time. Encre Noire À L'Extrême is so much richer, so much deeper, so much classier, and has a lot of weight to it, with a little bit of sweetness. This has the sweetness from the resins. There is no resins, I think, in Encre Noire Sport. Encre Noire À L'Extrême is louder, is darker, is classier, is sweeter. Encre Noire Sport is lighter, fresher, cleaner. Pick your poison. Both of them are good poisons to have. Check out my full video on this. I go into detail about everything that you need to know. I'm sitting out here in beautiful nature right behind my house, and the sun is beaming. The grass is turning green. Spring is coming, and I thought I'd give you my final thoughts on Encre Noire Sport. I think it's the best sport flanker, one of the best sport flankers ever made. I can confidently say that, because I think a sport flanker is supposed to do something that this does to perfection, It's supposed to make a fragrance more wearable in the heat when you're sweating. It's supposed to make a fragrance lighter. It's supposed to make a fragrance, I would think, bluer. It's supposed to take something and make it geared towards wearing it when the sun is out, like it is right now. And sitting here, as I'm getting whiffs of this, I just reapplied it after getting out of the shower because I want it to be my scent for the evening as well. It's perfect for the time of day, the season, and the mood I'm in right now, which is uplifting, serene, clean, peace. I think all of those things are exactly what this perfume is trying to be, and it's what it should be as a sport flanker. In other words, I'm gonna wear this all the time for the spring and the summer, all the time, and I'm gonna love it, and I'm gonna be happy with what I have. Quick notes on longevity: 5 to 6 hours. That's what I got before I took a shower and reapplied. Projection for the first 2 hours is good. It's very good for a freshie, about 1.5 to 2 feet projection, and then it starts to dim down slowly and slowly until it becomes a skin scent. Overall, very, very, very surprised with the quality that you can get for so little money. That goes to show that if a company tried, they could do really well with a limited budget. And Lalique is the epitome of bang for your buck. It's been proven with À L'Extrême. It's proved to me now with Sport. The fragrance embodies the color of the juice. If you hold it up to the light, the color of the juice is this turquoise, but not bright turquoise, like a little bit toned down, muted, little bit on the darker side turquoise. And turquoise is made with a mixture of green and blue. This fragrance is a mixture of green and blue. Blue from aquatics and freshness, green from the vetiver and aromatics, and they play together so well to make a fresh green fragrance with a lot of character in the Encre way. Peace out. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, hit the like, leave a comment on what your favorite freshie for the spring and the summer is, and I read all of them. I'll reply to you. Hit subscribe if you want more of this sort of content. I have a few videos coming up. Hope you enjoy them. Peace out. Get some sun.